If your taste is clean, modern, tasteful, and just a little bit aspirational, this is your estate sale this weekend. Down a street in Old Town on the edge of Lincoln Park, you'll find a home that doesn't try too hard. It doesn't need to. It's thoughtful, well edited, and quietly styled in a way that feels lived in, not staged. Start with the furniture. Restoration hardware, room and board, crate and barrel, Mitchell Gold, layered together with custom pieces out of the Merchandise Mart. Neutral tones, clean lines, quality pieces that actually work in your home. The rugs, lighting, mirrors, it's all been chosen with intention. Nothing loud, but nothing forgettable either. In the kitchen, you've got the good stuff that lasts. Vitamix, Waterford, and Princess House for when you're hosting, and everything else for when you're not. Head upstairs and you'll find furnishings and decor to outfit your little one's rooms. Thoughtfully curated, but with a touch of nostalgia. Clothing, surprisingly strong, especially for kids. Lily Pulitzer, Vineyard Vines, Minnie Bowden, a lot of it new with tags. And if you're shopping for yourself, there's Barber, Patagonia, plus the occasional Gucci or Jimmy Choo if you're in that kind of mood. Downstairs, there's a solid mix of toys, American Girl, and yes, multiple ping pong tables and air hockey. This is a family that believes in fun without screens. Given the neighborhood, the finds are almost expected, but that's the point. Quality, tasteful, refined, styled. The Estate Edit, Friday through Sunday, Lincoln Park, Old Town. And follow Picardy for the best estate sales and your spot in line.